Okay, good evening, everyone. So I would like to welcome you to our follow-up meeting to discuss about our plans for opening new branch store at Bangi. So for now, let's take attendance. Mr. Nabil.
Good evening, Mr. Ame. I'm present.
Good. How about Mr. Hakimi?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, good. Mr. Feng.
I'm present.
Yeah, and the last one, Mr. Sharvin.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, great. All members are here. So thank you everyone for joining today's follow-up meeting. I would like to inform you that if you all experience any technical issue through the meeting, please inform me, and everyone in the Zoom is allowed to use all the features. And if there is any question during the meeting, you guys are allowed to use the chat box as well. So for now, where others speaks, also please mute yourself to avoid any interruptions. Okay, so before we start, let's approve the minutes of our previous meeting. So any objections?
I have reviewed the minutes and they appears accurate. I move to approve them.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shavin. Do I have a second for the motion to approve the minutes?
Yes, I second the motion.
Okay, so the minutes are approved. Let's move into the updates on our action plan for the new branch opening. Mr. Nabil, could you please start with the financial report or financial aspect?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ame. So first, I would like to share my slide. Give me some seconds. Okay, everyone can see my slide?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. I'm pleased to report that the budget allocation for the new branch is on track. I would like to inform you that we received additional funds since there is one investor, which is Mawa Holding, would like to invest in our new branch, which is worth 15,000 ringgit Malaysia to cover any additional costs or can be used for marketing purposes. So it will cover the cost of marketing needs such as brochures, business cards, and web design. And I will settle the compliance needs, license, and permit fee as soon as possible. Forget to mention, I also have monitored the development process by using use-based cloud. That's all from me.
That's great, Mr. Nabil. So far, how is the progress of the development?
So far, so good because I can monitor the process through the software, which allow us to access our data from anywhere, anytime, and any device.
That's great to know, Mr. Nabil. Good job. So how about you, Mr. Feng? How are we progressing with the marketing plan?
Okay, good evening, everyone. The marketing plan is in full swing. As per our last meeting, we decided to create brand awareness to attract customers. To achieve this, we created buzz online by using social media and advertising from key opinion leaders. Our marketing department has decided to propose that we explore digital marketing channels to maximize our reach and engagement. Where we can expect 90% of brand awareness, social media campaigns and online promotions can significantly enhance our brand visibility. I will present a detailed plan for the digital marketing strategy in our next meeting, which I believe will help us to achieve our targeted sales. We also have set a date for our upcoming employees to have training session with experts in order to increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, as I mentioned in the last meeting. Thanks to Hakimi because he is the person who is responsible for this meeting, for this training.
Excellent suggestion, Mr. Feng. I think everything seems good. So how about you, Mr. Hakimi? Can you update us on the hiring and onboarding process?
Uh, Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Good evening, team. I'd like to take a moment to share some insight on the hiring and the onboarding process. So as we focus on building a strong team for a new branch, I have prepared a detailed onboarding schedule that includes not only the essential training session, but also team activity to foster a sense of unity and collaboration among our staff members. So I will be presenting a slide to walk you through the onboarding plan. You can see the slide. Hello.
Yes, we can see.
So in the first week, we will cover the fundamental training modules that ensuring that each of the member is well versed in our company culture. Uh, Not only company culture, the policies, the customer service. Additionally, I have scheduled the session with expert trainers to enhance the specific skills crucial for their roles. So moving on the second week, uh, we will dive we will dive into department specific training, allowing each team member to gain a deeper understanding of their responsibilities and contribution to the overall success of our new branch. So as you can see, we have incorporated the team building activities throughout the onboarding process. This to create a positive and collaborative work environment, which these activities includes the icebreaker sessions, group projects, and also team challenges for interpersonal growth. Furthermore, I like to highlight the team building session I recommend earlier. This will be a dedicated day for our new branch staff to engage in activities that promote teamwork, communication, and share a sense of purpose. So, in it is an investment in our team synergy, ultimately contribute to the more efficient and enjoyable work environment. So to conclude, the onboarding process is not just about imparting knowledge, but also about fostering a sense of belonging and camaraderie. So I welcome any feedback or additional suggestion to ensure that our new team members have a smooth and positive transition into our company culture. I think that was for me.
Thank you, Mr. Hakimi. That's a very great idea. Team building activities are very crucial for a cohesive work atmosphere. So, good job. And for Mr. Shavin, how are we doing with the sales goals and team readiness?
All right. Building on my point about team readiness, I suggest organizing a mock sales event like before a grand opening. This is because this will provide the sales team with the practical experience, then helping them refine their strategies and identify potential challenges. Potential challenges. It's a proactive measure to ensure a smooth launch. Yeah. So additionally, we have collaborated with Feng or promotional strategies to drive the sales. All right. So I believe the mock sales event will be instrumental in preparing our team for actual launch. Okay. So it's a hands-on approach to fine-tune their skills and address any uncertainties they may encounter. Yeah.
Thank you. So that sounds like a solid plan, Mr. Shavin. But can you elaborate more on the specific scenarios or challenges the sales team will stimulate during this mock event?
All right, sure. So basically, we will simulate scenarios such as handling diverse customer objection, showcasing product features effectively, and practicing upselling techniques. Uh, then the idea is to expose. I mean, this idea is to expose the team to a range of situation they might encounter, as I say before this, and ensuring they are well prepared and confident in their interactions.
I fully support Shavin's idea of a mock sales event. I would like to add some more ideas where we can integrate key aspects of our promotional plan to simulate real scenarios and fine-tune strategies. I suggest including a feedback session for sharing insights. This combined approach will boost our team's desire for a successful launch. I'm ready to work on integrating the promotional elements into the mock event plan.
Good thinking, Mr. Shavin and Mr. Feng. Uh,
Sorry to interrupt.
okay.
But I forget something. For your information, we also have to do advertisement in nearby blogs and progress to implement customer relationship management systems. Then as soon as our sales team have managed the targeted sales, when we open this new branch at Bangi, we will give incentive and we promised in the previous meeting. Yeah, yes.
So that's a good start, Mr. Shavin. It seems like a well-coordinated effort between sales and marketing. So, and one more thing, have you considered any executive? Sorry. Have you considered any activities or any incentive during the mock sales event to attract early customers?
Yes, Amir. We are exploring the possibility of offering exclusive deals during the mock event to incentive early customer engagement. This is not only creates excitement, but also encourage customers to share their positive experience and contributing to word of mouth promotion. This collaborative effort between the sales and marketing teams will not only enhance our team's preparedness, but also create a cohesive approach to drive initial sales and build momentum for our new branch. Basically, I believe this proactive and scenario strategy we will significantly contribute to the success of our grand opening.
Excellent, Mr. Shavin. This collaborative and proactive strategy between sales and marketing aligns well with our goal for a successful grand opening soon. So for now, does anyone have thoughts or suggestion to improve on this approach? So I take that as a no. So if there are no further comments, let's proceed with implementing this
Amir,
plan.
I
Okay.
think I have some input regarding on the onboarding process. So I believe as the HR manager, I recommend that we incorporating a mentorship program for the new hires. So it could enhance their integration into their teams and contribute to the smoother transition of our new branch. So I think that all from my suggestion. That's all.
So that's a great idea, Mr. Hakimi. I fully agree, totally agree with your idea. How about the others?
For now, I don't have any suggestion because I already give a lot of suggestion about our sales and our promotion, everything.
So if there are no further comments or any suggestion, let's proceed with implementing this plan. And we will proceed to use many methods to increase our sales during the grand opening soon. So I appreciate the proactive thinking, Mr. Shavin. And I think the collaboration between marketing teams and sales team are very good. It sets a positive tone for our new branch opening. So I think that's all for today. Follow-up meeting. Any additional matters or concern before we conclude this meeting?
I suggest we designate a contingency budget for unforeseen circumstances. While we've been diligent in our planning, having a buffer will provide us with added flexibility to address unexpected challenges. We may encounter any unexpected costs. Our team already make a projection in the for the unexpected costs.
So, what's suggestion, Mr. Nabil? So, I think we have heard from Mr. Nabil, Mr. Hakimi, Mr. Shavin, and Mr. Feng about our company. We will proceed to the opening branch soon. So, every department have explained about their progress, and that is good. So, if there's nothing else, let's allocate a contingency budget to mitigate any unforeseen issues like Mr. Nabil said just now. So if there's nothing else, let's conclude today's meeting. Our next follow-up meeting will be scheduled in 1 week. So thank you everyone for your commitment, hard work, and valuable suggestion. So I will end the meeting here. Thank you everyone for attending this meeting.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Bye.